Good morning, friends. Today we are going to continue the next part of this unit. What is a formal charge? Write the formula to calculate the formal charge on atom. See, formal charge may be defined as the charge that an atom in its molecule would have at all the atom have the electronegativities. Formal charge may be defined as the charge that an atom in its molecule would have of all the atom have the electronegativities. While representing the structure of the same that particular molecule or ion, it is observed that some of the atom assign the same charge, that is a positive or negative, depending on their electronic configuration. Example is there. You can see pH4 plus is there. Okay, the formal charge on the each hydrogen atom is 0, but that phosphorus atom carries a single positive formal charge, that is a +1. Example, another example is given Na. That is a N2O is the example. Here you can see nitrogen, double bond nitrogen and double bond oxygen. One nitrogen is having positive charge, another nitrogen is having negative charge. In the second structure you can see nitrogen, triple bond nitrogen is there, one nitrogen is having plus bond, and that arrow has shown been there, coordinate bond has been shown there with the oxygen. Oxygen carries the negative charge. Calculation of the formal charge. To calculate the formal charge on an atom, it is assumed that all the electrons are shared equally and that each atom owns half of the electron it shares with the neighboring atoms. Formal charge. QF formal charge is nothing but Na minus Nm, which is equal to Na minus where Na is the number of electron in the valence shell of the free atom, Nm is the number of electron belonging to atom in the molecule, NZP is nothing but the NLP is nothing but the number of electrons as unshared, or say you can call it as the lone pairs. NBP is number of electrons as a bonding pairs. Na minus NLP minus half NBP. ZP or say LP will be there, that is a unshared pairs or say lone pairs. This is the formula for calculation of the formal charge. Here you can see how the pH formal charge for the pH pure has been calculated. Valence electron in the phosphorus are the 5 and hydrogen is the 1. Formal charge is equal to PQP is equal to 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 0 minus half into that 8. This formula you have to use. What is the formula? Na minus NZP minus half NABP. Now what is the Na? 5 minus 0 minus half 8, that is a 5 minus 4 is equal to +1. Formal charge on the phosphorus atom is a +1 and on hydrogen it is a 0. N2O, Lewis structure of the that particular Lewis structure of two resonance structure of the N2O are You can see here N2O how we can represent by the various ways that you can see. Nitrogen is having the plus charge, nitrogen is having the minus charge. Then you can calculate that for the oxygen. Five minus 4 plus half. One, 2, 3, 4. You can calculate for the different nitrogen is having the different in the that particular thing. These two examples you have to prepare and you can calculate the formal charge easily. Then the carbon monoxide is given. You can calculate for the structure 1, structure 2, then the structure 3. Try it. If you are not getting it, then I will explain it again. Then what is the hybridization? Explain the rule of hybridization by giving the suitable example. Explain the formation of following type of hybrid orbital and give their spatial arrangement. sp, it is a linear hybridization. Formation of the sp hybrid orbital and the sp hybridization can be well understood by considering the Ab2 type molecule. Example BF2, BCl2, BF2 and BCl2. In BCl2 molecule, central atom B4 has 4 electronic configuration as the 1s2, 2s2 in the ground state. In the excited state 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and in BCl2 molecule is shown as, see here, B atom in the ground state, B atom in the excited state. sp hybridization is nothing but one s electron and another p electron will involve in that particular hybridization. See here, what is there? This is the 1s, 2s and 2p. Out of this, what will happen? This s will goes to this, one electron of this s will goes to this p orbital in the excited state. Okay, 1s will be the as it is, 2s will take part in that, and 1s 2s orbital and the 1 2p orbital will get the electron from the chlorine and they will form the sp hybridized BCl2 molecule. S orbital, p orbital are shown here, and then sp hybrid orbital is shown over here. These are the some important part that I have taken. Then we have to focus on the molecular orbital theory. In the next lecture we will go through this particular molecular orbital theory. I had taken the important from part from this particular unit, otherwise this unit has the that is a washed unit is there. Okay, and that's why you have to prepare that much only part whatever I have taken over here. Please, it is a theoretical part and you have to just read it. After reading it you can clear all this thing, otherwise it is very difficult to remember this thing. Okay, please go through this particular all the part whatever is here. Okay, and try to solve this formal charge. Keep the formula in the mind, then identify the number of the paired try to understood this particular thing. You can calculate Na minus say Nm, or say you can use this particular how many lone pairs are there, or say unshared electrons are there, or say how many bonding pairs are there, and by using this you can calculate the formal charge easily. Please go through this thing well. If you are not getting, you can freely ask me. It is very much important part. Okay, formal charge. Then we have seen that particular thing is the what is the hybridization, and explain on the basis giving the suitable example. sp you can call here just a simple given the sp is there. Okay, please go through this. If you are not getting, you can freely ask. Thank you.